Hey everybody, Shannon Sagan, 1-800-FLA lawyer here. Hope you are doing well. I want to talk to you about a piece of legislation that may or may not pass. It went through the Senate and the House, but it's up to the governor to sign. I think it's called SB 54, and it has to do with car insurance, the PIP/no fault law. So really quickly, brief breakdown. In Florida, somebody rear ends you, your own insurance has to pay the first $10,000 in medical bills, even though it was their fault. And most of my clients in the beginning that have never been in an accident don't believe me. They've never heard of it. They think I'm crazy. And it does sound pretty crazy that your insurance has to pay for something caused by somebody else, but this is a law that's been in place for 40 years. And it's PIP, personal injury protection, and everyone that has a car has to have that. So no matter who's at fault, your own insurance has to pay. And this has been going on for a while now. The other thing that's been going on is in Florida, the person who hits you does not have to have bodily injury coverage. So not only you could have a situation where your own insurance company is paying $10,000 in your medical bills, but then you can't even collect anything from the other person for your injuries because they're not required to have bodily injury coverage. Well, this new bill does away with this whole PIP system, which is rampant with fraud, and I think one of the reasons why our rates are one of the highest in the nation and why Florida has the highest insurance fraud in the nation. And what the bill would do is it would require everybody who's on the road to have at least $25,000 in bodily injury coverage. So that means no matter who hits you, there's going to be some type of bodily injury coverage, a minimum of $25,000. Right now we're dealing with probably 25% of people driving in cars don't have insurance to begin with. And then add a huge majority who also aren't carrying bodily injury coverage, but they have other coverages for themselves. So my understanding right now is it's on the governor's desk. Who knows what he's gonna do? My thought, reach out to him, and I say support the bill. God forbid someone rear ends you or your family or someone you really care about. At least you'll know that they're gonna have some type of coverage to cover their injuries if they're hurt. Right now, there is no protection. I've turned down so many clients over the years because the person who hit them does not have this bodily injury coverage, and I think it's required. Check it out. If you got any questions, reach out to me, 1-800-FLA lawyer. If you got my cell phone, call the office. I'll be more than happy to talk to you about it. I hope everybody's doing well. Take care.